Welcome to this complete Kos Greece guide. Nestled in the cerulean embrace of the Aegean Sea, Kos is a gem in the Dodecanese island group of Greece. This sun-drenched paradise is a tapestry of rich history, interwoven with tales of ancient gods, mighty castles, and healing springs. Its natural beauty is a breathtaking spectacle of pristine beaches and verdant forests. So buckle up, history buffs, nature lovers, and sun worshippers alike. Join us as we explore the top 10 things to do in this magnificent locale. Our journey begins with the Ancient Asklepion. This remarkable site, nestled on the outskirts of Kos city, is steeped in history and allure. The Asklepion was not just a sanctuary dedicated to the Greek god of medicine, Asclepius, but also one of the world's earliest known healing centers. Imagine, if you will, walking the same grounds where Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, once trained. A place where the sick were treated with a combination of spiritual rituals and early medical practices, a testament to the holistic approach of the ancients. The Asklepion is not just about the past, it's a testament to the timeless nature of Greek culture. Its 3 terraced levels, each serving a different healing purpose, reflect the meticulous attention to detail and respect for nature that characterized ancient Greek architecture. This site, brimming with history and healing energy, is a must-visit for anyone seeking a connection with the ancient world. With its breathtaking ruins, the Asklepion is indeed a window to Greece's glorious past. Next stop, the formidable Kos Town Castle. Dominating the harbour entrance, this majestic fortress, also known as Antimachia Castle, is a testament to the island's rich history. Built by the Knights of St. John in the 15th century, the castle's architecture is a fascinating blend of styles, from Byzantine to Venetian. As you wander through the castle's robust walls, you'll notice the intricate design of the stone masonry, peppered with ancient inscriptions and emblems. The castle's history is palpable, and one can almost hear the whispers of knights echoing through the corridors. But it's not just about the past. The castle also offers a stunning panorama of the Aegean Sea. Imagine gazing out at the azure waters, the town's rooftops below, the boats bobbing gently in the harbour. It's a sight that will take your breath away. In essence, a visit to the Kos Town Castle is like stepping into a time machine, a journey filled with tales of chivalry, sieges, and stunning vistas. Now let's journey to the legendary tree of Hippocrates. You'd be hard-pressed to find a tree more steeped in history than this one. Named after the father of medicine, Hippocrates, it's said that he once held his medical teachings under its sprawling branches. Talk about a leafy lecture hall. While the exact tree from Hippocrates' time no longer exists, the descendant of that ancient tree stands today, continuing the legacy. The trunk, gnarled and twisted with age, bears the weight of centuries, and the branches, though supported by scaffolding, still strive to reach the sky. Visitors to this site in Kos can marvel at the living testament to the birth of medical science. It's a reminder of the deep roots of knowledge and the ever-growing branches of discovery. So next time you're in Kos, take a moment to stand under its shade. You might just feel a bit wiser. Who knew a tree could hold so much history? Ready for a splash? Welcome to Paradise Beach. Picture this, crystal clear waters meeting sandy shores under an endlessly blue sky. It's not a dream, it's Paradise Beach. This gem is a must-visit for several reasons. First, the waters. They're not just clear, they're pristine, inviting you to dive in and discover a whole new world beneath the surface. And speaking of beneath the surface, the vibrant marine life here is second to none. Whether you're a snorkeling newbie or a seasoned diver, you'll be mesmerized by the rainbow of colors that await you. The sandy shores, too, are something to write home about. Soft and golden, they're perfect for those who prefer to soak up the sun and listen to the rhythm of the waves. And let's not forget the name, Paradise Beach. It's not just a name, it's a promise of an unforgettable experience. Paradise Beach is truly a slice of paradise on earth. Let's explore the beauty of Antimachia traditional house and castle. Immerse yourself in the heart of Kos, where the Antimachia traditional house and castle stand as a testament to the island's rich history. This traditional house, an authentic 19th century dwelling, is a living museum, filled with artifacts and furnishings that paint a vivid picture of everyday life in bygone eras. Just a stone's throw away, the imposing Antimachia Castle towers over the landscape. Built by the Knights of St. John in the 14th century, it served as a strategic fortress protecting the island from invaders. Now it invites visitors to step back in time, to wander through its ancient stone corridors and to gaze out from its ramparts at the sweeping views of Kos. From the traditional olive oil press to the rustic loom, every corner, every stone of Antimachia tells a story. Antimachia offers a unique glimpse into traditional Greek life. Next, we wander through the charming streets of Zia Village. With every step, we're drawn deeper into the heart of this quaint settlement. The village's traditional architecture, with its whitewashed houses and cobblestone streets, whispers tales of a time gone by. It's like stepping into a storybook where every corner has a tale to tell. Now, let's talk about the food. The local cuisine is a delightful dance of flavors, where every dish tells a story of the island's rich history and culture. From the mouth-watering moussaka to the sumptuous souvlaki, it's a food lover's paradise. But what truly sets Zia Village apart are the breathtaking views. Perched on the slopes of Mount Kos, the village offers panoramic vistas of the island and the sparkling Aegean Sea. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you realize this isn't just a village. Zia Village is a picture-perfect postcard come to life. Let's marvel at the architectural beauty of the Roman Odeon of Kos. Buried under centuries of history and rediscovered in the early 20th century, this captivating Odeon, or theatre, has stood the test of time. Constructed during the 2nd and 3rd centuries, the Roman Odeon of Kos was a hub for music and theatrical performances, a shining beacon of culture in the heart of ancient Greece. Its construction was a testament to the Romans' architectural prowess, with the capacity to seat up to 700 spectators. Today, the remains of the marble seats and the stage still evoke a sense of awe and wonder. The Odeon was more than a theatre. It was a symbol of the city's vibrant social and cultural life. Its historical significance, coupled with its architectural splendor, makes it a must-visit location for anyone with an appreciation for history and architecture. The Roman Odeon of Kos truly is a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture. Time to relax at the Therma Hot Springs. Nestled on the eastern coast of Kos, this natural wonder is more than just a warm bath. The water here, heated by volcanic activity below the Earth's surface, is rich in minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, elements known for their health benefits. Many visitors claim that a soak in these springs can help alleviate ailments such as arthritis, muscle pain, and even skin conditions. Getting to Therma is an adventure in itself, as it requires a short but scenic hike from the parking area, but trust me, the effort is well worth it. The sight of the hot springs with the azure Aegean Sea as its backdrop is simply breathtaking. But why is it a must-visit spot? Well, Therma offers a unique experience that fuses relaxation, wellness, and the raw beauty of nature. It's a place that allows you to immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of the Earth's warmth. The Therma Hot Springs is the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the beauty of Kos. Lastly, we visit the pristine Tigaki Beach and the lush Plaka forest. Tigaki Beach is a slice of heaven, a long stretch of sand kissed by the gentle waves of the Aegean Sea. Its crystal-clear waters are a haven for those seeking tranquility and a refreshing dip, while the beach itself is a perfect spot for sunbathing or perhaps indulging in a gripping novel. The beach is virtually untouched, offering an authentic Greek beach experience. It's easy to lose track of time here as the hours slip away in this idyllic setting. But the beauty of Kos doesn't stop at the shoreline. A short distance away, you'll find the Plaka forest, a verdant oasis that offers a cool respite from the sun-soaked beach. This thriving woodland is home to a fascinating variety of flora and fauna. With pine and cypress trees towering above, you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Keep your eyes peeled for friendly peacocks and turtles that call this forest home. The contrast between the azure sea and the emerald forest is a testament to the diverse beauty of Kos. Whether you're a beach bum or a nature enthusiast, these two locations offer a perfect balance. The untouched beauty of Tigaki Beach and the rich biodiversity of Plaka Forest truly exemplify the charm of Kos. With its stunning beach and verdant forest, Kos truly offers the best of both worlds. And that, dear travelers, is our whirlwind tour of Kos. We've journeyed through the ancient Asklepion, strolled around Kos Town Castle, and marveled at the legendary tree of Hippocrates. We've found paradise at Paradise Beach, explored Antimachia's traditional house and castle, and experienced the quaint charm of Zia Village. We've delved into history at the Roman Odeon of Kos, soaked in the Therma Hot Springs, and admired the pristine beauty of Tigaki Beach and Plaka Forest. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kos, Greece. Until next time, happy travels.